gonna be getting ready for my first day of school.
Franco.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. Hey y'all, it's Akira, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be getting ready for my first day of school. So today's August 25th. It's currently 6:52 a.m. Guys, I'm officially a senior. So excited. I feel like today is gonna be just a little bit more chill because even in college, the first day is a little bit more lenient. So we're just gonna go with the flow and get ourselves prepared. And like, you know, start that routine for classes and everything else. So yes, Isaiah will be dropping me to school today. I have to get some things situated with my car because I just got a new car like a few days ago. There will be a video on that, guys. So y'all just saw me feed Grayson, let him outside to play. Now it's time to start my routine. So first we're gonna start off with hygiene. My mouthwash, I got my floss, and then I got my toothbrush and toothpaste. It's gonna be the first step. I'm gonna listen to music, put y'all at an angle. Let's get this routine started. Alright y'all, so I'm now done with oral care. Now it's time for skincare. I'm just gonna go in with the same things that I use all the time. So I have the Cetaphil Daily Cleanser, the Cetaphil Radiating Moisturizing Lotion, and also I got this from Burlington maybe like a year ago. Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Brightening Cream. So I've also been implementing this into my routine to just give my skin that glow. But yes, and then I will be utilizing my little scrub pads in order to get this on my face. After we do my skincare, I'm gonna be putting my contacts in. I hate putting my contacts in because it's always one that gives me trouble. It's always one that I have to put in and hurry to take out and redo, and then it usually feels comfy. But yeah, guys, so let's get into skincare.
Only because you ain't in.
Alright guys, so we are all done with skincare. I got my contacts in successfully. It did not take long at all. Drop your skincare routines down below because I've been trying to, I don't really have acne. I just have some discoloration in my face, and I feel like my face has never been clear. So drop your routine. I'm really interested. Now it's time for me to go ahead and get dressed. I'm gonna get dressed, then I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then my hair last. So y'all, I have a simple fit. When I go to school, I like to be comfortable because sometimes I'm doing a lot of walking, and in class the classrooms be so cold. So I really just want to stay comfortable. I'm not worried about really the aesthetics and style too much. So I just have a regular I have a black kind of crop top with some gray tights. Okay, like I said, we're gonna be comfortable. I'm always comfortable for school. That's never really been a big thing for me, you know, for it to be a fashion show. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna put on my clothes and we're gonna start with doing our eyebrows and our hair. It's 7:16. I got about an hour before we leave, so trying to make this quick, but we're making good time, making good timing.
Alright guys, so I'm all dressed. And now it's time to start on my eyebrows. I try to do my eyebrows every morning because if I can tell, I don't have good eyebrows at all. Like, I want to go back and get them tattooed again one day. We'll see. But I do not have good eyebrows. So I have my little eyebrow. It's not a marker. It's a brow print, a brow pencil. So this isn't a brow tutorial because I have one on my page already. If I remember, I'll link it below or add it as one of the cards, like at the top of the screen. I have an eyebrow tutorial already. So, but I just use my brow pencil. This I forgot what this kind of brush is called, like an edged brush. I need to get another one. Some concealer, and then this brush just to brush everything out at the end. So I'm gonna turn the camera towards the mirror. Y'all can just watch me concentrate on my brows because that's something that I have to concentrate on in order to not mess up. Because I'm running out of time and I only got one chance. So let's get started on these brows.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it the reasons why we both can't lay here. And secret, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game, you know. We both can't play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed.
Alright, so I'm all finished with my brows. I know y'all seen them. I did a decent job for today. Did a decent job. Looks good. Spray my heat, not my heat protector, not my setting spray. I have to make sure they stay, girl.
We become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us.
Alright, y'all, it's now 7:34. Now I'm about to get started on this hair. So last night I did put some flexi rods in my hair. Over this past weekend I did put a touch-up relaxer and I straightened my hair. Last night I put flexi rods in it. I bought a headband to see if I wanted to wear a headband. But let's see how these curls turn out. And then I did put oil and what do you call that grease? Blue Magic on my hair. So hopefully, in the past, this has stopped my curls from falling. You know, making it last longer all day. So hopefully it does the same thing. I didn't put too much because I didn't want it to be like crunchy. I'll go ahead and give my hair a little shake. It'll make you have a headache. Alright, so this is the hair. Let's see. Like I said, I don't know. Y'all, I'm dizzy now. Oh my gosh. I could do a side part. I really could. I need to go over my my roots. I don't know, I feel like this is doing a little bit too much for school. I mean, but it's not as, it's curls. People wear curls all the time in their hair. Let's see what we could do. Up, half down. Okay guys, let's see how the half up, half down is gonna do. I'm gonna put the curls is gonna be down. I'm gonna put them towards the back. Let's see what time it is. It's 7:38. tiny. I put that Bio Silk. Yeah, I'm all over the place because this is not in the cards for my hair today. Be doing this style. Okay, so let me just get my little base for it.
Every single time we touch, even though it's what we want, can't keep this up. No, but I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why people can't lay it. And secrets, both gotta keep it honest. That's just a game we know. People can't play for tonight. I'm yours. So tonight, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth.
On my flat iron just to curl just a few straight pieces. I had a flat base earlier before I took it out to slick it down. My base was flat. Now my base isn't flat, so I have to use this bobby pin. Alright guys, I'm gonna go wake up Isaiah really quickly. So he's dropping me off to school. Let me plug up my flat iron real quick. I just gotta put on, I already have on deodorant. I need to put on lotion. I need to put on lotion and perfume. I don't know where my Kira necklace is, but I'm wearing this Chanel necklace that my aunt had got me. So I'm putting on this. I don't really feel like putting on earrings. I'm not really too big on earrings. My engagement ring. For the lotion, I'm gonna go in with the Victoria's Secret Love Spell, and then this isn't matching body spray, but Madame Mystique. The smells go together, but it's not like a set or anything. But the smells complement each other. That's what it's all about. Like I said, I already put on deodorant before I put on my shirt. I cannot put on deodorant after I put on my shirt because it be leaving those white marks, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I have to make sure them elbows not ashy. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the body spray. This is how it looks right now. Cutesy. This part right here is bothering me. Guys, I can't find the lip liner. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for you. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm hurting. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real. Alright guys, I'm all ready to go. We're about to head out. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick with my hair like this because I want to head out in about 5 minutes. So let me just show y'all how, kind of like an overview. But this is how we're looking. I just got on my Hey Dudes for comfort. I got a jacket in my book sack. I might include a few clips at school. I don't know, like kind of sneak vlog, but I don't know. If I do that, then I'll add it before I end off this video. But if not, this is the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.